Hey, what's up guys, I hope that all of you are doing well. So as you know that the S25 Ultra is out now, and here are some of the 25 Galaxy AI tips and tricks that you can try out on your Galaxy S25. So without wasting any further time, let's get into it. So out of 25, the first feature that you should try out on your Galaxy S25 Ultra with the Galaxy AI is in the Call app. After going into your Call app, you just have to simply tap on these three dots and click on settings. From here, you will have two options of call assist. First of all, let's talk about the live call assist. This is a live call translation feature and you will get a real-time translation during the calls. So if you're talking to someone who do not speak your language and you do not speak their language, your and their voice will be now translated. There are multiple language packs available that you can download from here. You will have to choose your language and the other person's language. Now let's move on to the next feature, and that is of the text to call. This text call feature is also part of Call Assist, and if you tap on the text call, you will get to see that you can now answer your calls without saying a word. A voice assistant will ask the caller why they are calling. You can ask from the quick responses, or you can also generate your own responses as well. Also, there are multiple voice packs available. Also, you can select the speech rate from slow to fast. So this is a really handy feature if you are in a situation where you cannot talk. So you can use this text to call feature and it will speak for you. Now let's move on to the next feature of the Galaxy AI. It is one of my favorite. By going into your settings, you will have to search for the wallpapers by scrolling down. First of all, you will have to search for the wallpapers in the settings. As you can see, the wallpapers is right available over here. After tapping on wallpapers, you will have to scroll down and tap on this generative create with AI. So now you can create your wallpapers using the AI. As you can see, there are multiple pre-packs available that you can choose from. If you want to generate a wallpaper using a night theme, so you have to select this night, and from here you can select the color from blue or many other colors option. From mountains you can select river or any other. After selecting your thoughts, it will generate your imaginary wallpaper. As you can see, within few seconds it has generated my imaginary wallpaper that you can set both for your lock screen and your home screen. Similarly, many other options are available to choose from. By using this generative wallpaper AI, you can turn your imaginary thoughts into a wallpaper. Now let's move on to the next feature, that is the sketch to image. In the Notepad app, after drawing a sketch, you can turn it into an image by using this Galaxy AI option. Tap on this Galaxy AI option, then you have to tap on sketch to image and then you have to trace. After tracing the area, you will get to see an option of watercolor, illustration, sketch, pop art or 3D cartoon. Then you have to tap on generate. Now it will turn your random sketch into an image using the Galaxy AI. And it works really amazing. As you can see, it has generated my that sketch into an image and it is looking really amazing. So it is a really nice feature to have on, so do check it out as well. Now let's move on to the next feature, so that is in the Notepad app, and after tapping on the Galaxy AI option, you have many options available like correct spelling. You can correct the spellings of your notes. So by mistake, if you have typed any wrong spellings, you can check your text and it will correct it for you using the Galaxy AI. So this is also a really time-saving feature that you can try out to save your time. Now moving on to the next feature, that is in the Samsung keyboard app. You will get to see a Galaxy AI icon in the Samsung keyboard. You have to tap on it, then you have an option of composer. You can now compose a text by simply typing what to write about. For example, I have written about climate change and it will generate. You have also multiple options of standard, email, social media or comment. Also, you get the option of polite, casual or professional. After selecting these, you just have to tap on generate and it will generate. And as you can see, the text is now available that you have just generated. Now let's move on to the next feature that is available in the gallery app. So we have a new feature available in the gallery app as well. By tapping on this Galaxy AI icon, you just have to long press on the object. Now you can change the location of this object. As you can see, I have changed the location of this object. Now you have to tap on generate and it will generate. As you can see, the location of this object has been changed. This was the previous location of the object and this is the new location of the object. You can directly save it from here by tapping on save copy. You can not only change the location of the object, but if you want to remove the object completely from the image, that is also possible. Again, you have to tap on the Galaxy AI icon and select the object. Now you have to long press on the object and then you will get to see an option of eraser. You just have to simply tap on that option and the object will be removed from your image. Then you have to tap on generate to save it. Now let's move on to the next feature. Now you can add some quick edits on your photo. For that, you just have to simply swipe up and tap on this remaster option. After tapping on remaster option, it will perform a quick edit for your photo. As you can see, here is the before and after of this photo. So if you want a quick edit for your photo, that is now possible with this remaster option. You can save it directly from here as well. This is really time saving and you can perform some really good quick edits through it. And you can also add a live effect to your photo as well by simply swiping up, then tap on this live effect option and it will add a live effect on your photo. It will somehow convert your photo into a video. As you can see, the photo has a live effect available now. So do check out this live effect feature as well. You can also save it directly from here by tapping on save copy. Now let's move on to the next option that is available in the Samsung browser app. So in the Samsung browser, if you are on a lengthy website, you can now generate a summary of that website by simply tapping on this Galaxy AI option. Then you have to tap on summarize. And now it will generate a summarized version of that website for you. That is really time saving as you can now read only the summarized version of the website instead of reading the whole website itself. Also, if the website is not available in your language, now that is not an issue. You can simply tap on Galaxy AI option and then click on translate and it will translate the website in your language. So now you can read any website that is not even in your language as well. Now moving on to the next feature. So if you are on a slide and you want to shortly summarize it, that is now possible with the Galaxy AI. You can now simply tap on summarize and it will create a summarized version. You can select the amount of the text you want to summarize. As you can see, it has now generated a summarized version of the text I have selected. And not only this, by using this Galaxy AI feature, you can also translate the slide if it is not available in your language. Simply you have to tap on this Galaxy AI option, then you have to tap on translate. Then after selecting the language, it will generate a translated version of the slide for you. Now moving on to the next feature that is also available in the Notepad app, you can now create an auto format of your notes using the Galaxy AI. Using this feature, it will add some headers in your text. As you can see, it is now generating that. And now as you can see, the auto format is now completed and it also gives you multiple options to choose from. If you will swipe right, you will get to see that there are some more options that you can choose from of this auto format. So this is also really time saving and it looks really amazing that we have this feature of auto format in your Notepad app. Now let's talk about the next Galaxy AI feature that is of the Samsung Health Assist. So now Samsung Health Assist features are also available with the Galaxy AI. First of all, you will have to agree the terms and conditions if you want to activate this Galaxy AI feature. So this Health Assist will get you personalized insights and guidance based on your health data. But you will have to keep in mind that the Health Assist for the fitness and wellness only, not for the treatment. Now let's move on to the next feature that is also amazing, and now you just have to simply select your photo and then you have to swipe up and select on this Portrait Studio. Now you have to select these options of comic 3D cartoon and then you have to generate it. So basically it will convert your photo into a comic cartoon. So this is really amazing feature that you can try out. There are multiple options available like 3D cartoon, watercolor or sketch that you can directly save from here as well. So now let's move on to the next Galaxy AI feature and that is with the name of Photo Ambient Wallpaper. And if you ask about that, what is Photo Ambient Wallpaper? So the Photo Ambient Wallpaper uses the AI to change your own photo based on the time and weather. You can set this by simply going into your wallpaper in settings and wallpaper and style and then change wallpapers. So based on the weather, the Photo Ambient Wallpaper uses the AI to change your photo according to the weather conditions. Now let's move on to the next feature and that is with the name of Interpreter. You will get to see an option of Interpreter in your notification panel as well or the control center. So using the interpreter, you can talk to someone who do not speak your language and they do not speak your language. Your and their voice will be now translated using this interpreter. So it is really handy if you travel a lot. As you can see, it has now translated both the voices. And it also has multiple modes. One is the conversation mode and the other one is the listening mode. In the listening mode, the live translation will be shown on the screen. You can then also listen to the translation using the Galaxy Buds. So do check out this interpreter as well, as it is really handy for the people who travel a lot and it will break all the language barriers for you. Now let's move on to the next AI feature, and this is circle to search. This is one of the most hyped feature of the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. By long pressing the home button, you can now circle anything on your screen and it will search from the Google for it. Also, after the update, now you can use this feature to identify any songs playing in the background by simply tapping on this music icon. Once you have tapped on this music icon, it will identify any song that is playing in your background. And the next AI feature is in the live call translation app. So this live call translation is also available for the other apps as well. And if you ask that how you can use them, so you just have to follow the steps shown in this animation. By following these steps, you can access this live call translation feature in the WhatsApp, Google Meet, Messenger, and Instagram. You can use the live call translation feature in these apps as well. Now moving on to the next feature, so that is also available in the Notepad app, and for that you will have to click on this plus icon over here, then you have to tap on voice recording. You can use the voice to text feature. Now whatever you will say will be now converted into a text by simply tapping on these three dots over here now. Then you have to type on this transcribe option. It will generate a transcript of your words. As you can see, it has generated a transcript, and if your words are above 200 characters, it will generate a summary for you as well. So this is also a really handy feature. Next up, you can also sketch an image on your photo as well. For that, you just have to simply tap on sketch to image, then you have to draw the object you want to convert into an image. And once done, you just have to simply tap on generate and it will generate that sketch into an image on your photo. And that's it for today's video. These were 25 Galaxy AI features that you can try out on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Also, the device I used to make this video was the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, but all of these features are available on the S25 Ultra as well. So try these features out and let me know in the comment section that have you bought the S25 Ultra or not, and if you are new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe.